In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook notifications not working. If new mail is arriving, but you never see a banner, a chime, or anything in the notification center, the fix usually comes down to three places: Windows notifications, Outlook's own settings, and system features that can silence alerts. I'll walk you through each area step by step so your desktop alerts start showing up again. First, open the Windows Settings app, go to System, then Notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on globally. Scroll through the list of apps and find Outlook, turn Outlook notifications on, and check that banners and sounds are enabled and that notifications are allowed to show in the notification center. If you're on Windows 11, you can also set Outlook's notification priority to high, so mail alerts aren't buried behind other apps. Next, adjust Outlook's internal settings. In Outlook, select File, then Options, and choose Mail. Under Message Arrival, turn on Display a desktop alert. While you're there, consider enabling Play a Sound and show an envelope icon in the taskbar if you want extra cues. Keep in mind that desktop alerts appear only for items delivered to your default inbox, which is important in the next step. Now confirm that Windows isn't intentionally hiding notifications. Open Settings again, select System, then Focus Assist and set it to off. Also review any automatic rules like during specific hours, when duplicating your display, or while gaming. Disable those if they would overlap with your work time, because Focus Assist quietly suppresses banners and sounds. Back in Outlook, check whether rules are moving messages to folders before you ever see them. On the Home tab, choose Rules, then Manage Rules and Alerts. Look for rules that move or file incoming mail away from the inbox. Temporarily uncheck those or modify them so important messages stay in the inbox, which allows desktop alerts to appear. Finally, make sure Outlook itself is up to date and healthy. In Outlook, go to File, Office Account, then choose Update Options and select Update Now. If problems persist, open the Windows Control Panel or Apps and Features, select Microsoft 365 or Office, choose Change, and run a quick repair. This refreshes Outlook without touching your data. After walking through these settings, your Outlook notifications should be back. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.